It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me. So I don't feel something at all.
I want this shit forever, man.
Never mind. Shut this shit down in the mall.
We so strong.
And tell that girl she the one for me.
Yeah,
I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, never mind.
Alright, check it. Here I go. I have the money every day, every night. MOB on my mind, that's how I stay on my grind. I'm out on the streets to get mine. Rewind my verse and haunt you so bad like a curse. Try to fuck on me, I'll leave you dead in a hearse. I'm always strapped, don't make the situation worse. I have you trapped in a psychogenic stage. You don't really wanna test my rage. Look out, here I come with my 12 gauge. That's what it'll be, about to cause a murder like the shower posse. I don't care what the cost be, I'm a hustler, don't you see my name is Dope B, and the money's calling to me. Get off my grind or you be part of the Negroology. My money will always incline, so I never sleep when I'm on my grind, little bitches.
It may not mean nothing to y'all.